All right, so today we are going to make corned beef brisket tacos.
Ooh.
Now, I love a good taco. I know you guys love a good taco. And I also love a good St. Patty's Day dinner, which would be your corned beef and your cabbage. So today we're gonna make a nice tortilla to go with our corned beef and our cabbage. We're gonna start off with our masa harina, our flour, our spirulina, which is healthy, by the way, salt, and our alginate. And I'm going to use the chopsticks. I'm going to get that together because you kind of want to get that alginate into the flour and disperse it as evenly as you can.
Yeah.
All right, now that we've got it all incorporated, we're going to slowly add our water, very slowly, while we mix. All right, but as you can see, it's nicely working. You want to make sure that that flour is coming off the sides of your bowl.
Okay.
And then once it does, you can start getting your hands in there and forming your dough. If you need to, you can add a little bit more flour if it's too tacky, or you can add a little bit more water if you feel like it's too dry. I feel like it's perfect right now, so once that's done, get it out of the bowl and kind of work it on our cutting board. So I'd work it for about 2-3 minutes. What you want to do is you want to get a nice smooth ball. Look into about something like that. Wrap it up, let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes because right now it's too wet and tacky, so your balls won't be able to form very nicely. So you let it rest for a little bit. We'll get back to it and we'll form some balls and we'll make our tortillas. Okay. All right, so we are rested. I already rolled out 30-gram balls.
Okay.
And then now we have our tortilla press, so we are ready to press. Ziploc bag works great. All right, so we're gonna get that right in the center, and you kind of want to do it really lightly, and you don't want to like go full throttle like right away. So it's kind of like a gradual press down.
And this is an area where the sodium alginate is really helping because it is a hydrocolloid, it's a gelling agent,
exactly.
It has viscosity.
Yes. So as you can see, press down. So we're going to turn it to about medium-high heat. It's about 350, 360.
Okay. And do you recommend people make a bunch of them and then cook them off real quick,
Yes.
or make them one at a time?
I would make these as I'm cooking one. I would get another one down because you kind of want to. I mean, using the sodium alginate kind of saves you from drying these out too much, but you still kind of want to make them as quickly as possible. So you make them all at once, and then you get them into your little container, and then they're ready to go.
Oh, can I do the pressing?
You can do the pressing.
Sweet.
Remember, not too hard. Just gradual.
All right, we'll see.
Very
If this
gradual.
one falls apart, it's on me.
It's on.
And nice and gentle.
There you go. Yep, nice little press down.
Did I press it enough?
No, that's good. Actually,
cool.
honestly, I like that size much better because you're gonna get like a nice heartier. All right, so you wanna.
All right, we've made it. We finished the tortillas, and we are ready to make some tacos.
All right, let's do it.
Cool. All right.
All right, so we got our
Get
shells.
this open up.
All right.
Ooh, this corned beef looks delicious.
It does look really good. That's gonna be delicious. All right.
Stealing a piece.
All right.
All right, so we're searing the cabbage, the leftover cabbage, just to give it a little bit more.
Just a little something in there. So I just made a little bit of honey mustard aioli. All right, so let's get some of our cabbage on there that we seared. Got some nice color on there. Pickled red onion.
Ooh.
Give it a little bit of a zing. All right.
All right, so I love the presentation of these tacos. I love that got the green and the pink and the yellows
They look good.
all
That
combined
looks good.
together for the holidays.
So let's have it.
All right.
Let's have it.
Ooh.
Oh man. Right?
That aioli is bomb.
It's so good. It is so good. And just like I said, the tortilla is still soft, hasn't dried out.
Because we like a soft shell. But also, when we were making it, I was a little concerned that the spirulina was gonna make it like too leafy, and it doesn't.
No, you don't get that at all.
Because like everything in here is so flavorful. You got the corned beef, you got that seared braised cabbage, and you
got
have
that-
the onion.
The onions and then that
The honey
aioli.
pepper, yeah. So you don't get any of that leafiness, which was
No.
my concern, but you do get the beautiful color.
You do get the color on after St. Patty's Day. I was gonna say on St. Patty's Day, but it's after because these are leftovers.